Look at it fight that wind, no problem. Fighting the wind all by itself, there it was.
Yeah, up against the ground. Look how choppy that is.
You better put some flaps on if you're going to do it. Oh, you do? No, you don't.
No.
You
Flaps in this?
No? I don't know, just for the suction off the surface. Half flap.
I'm nervous. I don't know. Down there's better. Look how calm it is down there.
This is how I ran into trouble that day, and I wished I'd put half flaps. It's just like this. And I had a hard time coming off the water.
I'm more nervous than the landing.
Yeah? I'm not worried for you landing at all.
Well, it's the landing that I've tipped over on.
Oh.
Stuff like this.
I'm quite confident for you.
Thanks.
No problem. Nice. Nice and scale. Just had to prove me wrong, huh?
Whoa!
That was the wind?
Yup.
Holy!
This is going to be a tricky landing.
Just don't do your flybys too slow and low. Yeah, they're getting in the way today.
How you doing, Greg?
Good, how are you?
It's a little bumpy up there.
Little dangerous flight today. Yeah. I just came down and he couldn't have me doing the dangerous flight all by myself.
More concerned about bringing it back in.
Ah. It's your de Havilland Beaver. It'll be fine. Gorgeous.
Does that got flaps or not?
Yeah, it does, but he won't use them for landing here. No, the wind will take care of that.
Do they slow down pretty good? Or?
Oh yeah, but you can't use it in a high wind like this.
Yeah, he is.
No, he's not using the flaps.
Oh, no, but
Yeah, yeah, but no, flaps are for landing when there's not enough wind to slow you
I
down.
still can't get used to the electrics not knowing if you're dead still.
Well, when you're on the stick, it's easier.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Nice and pretty.
It looks gorgeous.
That's beautiful.
Nice.
Can't get better than that, buddy.
Even had a little gust and you still handled it.
Now, the turn.
How many flights on this?
How many flights have I had?
No, on that airplane.
40.
Oh, that many?